Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here in my boat today. I got my 7.5 horse out here in my Jon Boat. It's a little loud. Here's where I'm headed. I can see some shad in this cove. I'm gonna try and throw my jerkbait. Backlash, nasty one. Just my luck as I get to the spot. About 4 feet of water. I'm heading to this school down here. Alright, I'm John's Fish Tales style fishing out here now. So now I'm going for lipless crankbait. Covers a lot of water. Easy retrieve. It's a rock. Oh, thought it was a fish. Snagged. Fish. Hey, first one of the day. Let's see what we got here. Chunky little guy. I believe this is a spotted bass, because you can tell how small the mouth is. It doesn't go past the eye. Chunky little bass. Might be a largemouth, might be a spot. It's hard to tell. Alright, let's let him go. Not skunked. Hallelujah. Let's see if there's any more around here. Alright, a few more casts on this point, and then I'll head back. Alright, it's time to hang it up. I come all that way. What did I catch? One spotted bass.
Happy Halloween! Ho ho ho